sometimes waiting actually makes the problem worse.
My dishwasher's playing up, so I wanted to price up a new one.
Sure, this one's 449.
Oh, I'll stick with getting mine repaired.
Short-term fix, long-term problem. The emergency close highlights when delaying the decision doesn't help.
This is our most reliable model at 449.
Gosh, that much?
Well, it might sound like a lot, but how much do you spend on repairs and call-outs? Isn't it about time you got it sorted?
You're right, I should probably take the plunge.
When timing matters, say so. People act faster when they see the cost of delaying.
Long shift ahead. I don't want you getting hangry.
Oh, you're not wrong.